Hello guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. On today's videos, as you can see, we are going to make fried beef. This is the fastest way to cook your fried beef. So you start with heating the pan. After heating the pan, we add the beef. Then we add salt. Let it brown, let it cook for a period of some time. Cooking this beef depends on your heat. The more the heat is high, the more faster the beef will be cooked. If it's low, the slower the time that will take the beef to be cooked. So you let it brown, then you add a little of black pepper for seasoning. Make sure at least the meat is well done and it's brown. Then you add onions. Stir them gently. Then you add our vegetable oil. A little of vegetable oil. Then we continue stirring. Then we add our coriander and our tomato. Then you add dark soy sauce. This helps with the changing of the color to a little dark, and also add some little taste to it. There is our beef. I call it the Bachelor's beef fry because it's so fast to cook. You can cook this when you're in a hurry for cooking your beef stew, then it's done. There it is. So guys, please like, subscribe and share for more amazing videos. See you in my next videos.